Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're new here, welcome to Living with the Bradleys. So today is Saturday and I'm headed to the grocery store. I'm going to Aldi and to Walmart. So if you want to see what I got, then stick around. All right, friends, so I just pulled up at Aldi, and believe me when I say it is busy. So I'm going to just flip the camera around so you can see what is going on. So here we are at Aldi. I'm getting ready to head in. I'm going to grab my bags and my mask and my quarter so that I can get my shopping cart, because that is what we do here. So wish me luck, because this place is packed. Say a prayer. Hi friends. So I finally made it out of Aldi, and yeah, it was busy. There were people everywhere. Anyway, so I just pulled up at Walmart, and it too is very, very busy. That's what I get for coming at like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but I was doing housework. So we're gonna get this done, and then I'll be back to show you what I got. Stay tuned. This is the delirium kicking in. Yeah. All right, friends, so I made it back home, and here is an overview of the haul. I've kind of got everything separated by store, so I'm going to start with, yeah, y'all don't see that. That's a whole scratch-off ticket. All right, so I am going to start with the non-food items from Walmart. So got some Always Maxis. It's getting close to that time, so got to be prepared. Those are the overnights. Picked up a new deodorant because I've been using the Dove dry spray deodorant, and it's getting to the place to where it's making my underarms itch a little bit, and I really don't like that. So we're going to try something all natural. This is a natural deodorant in lavender and sage. It's supposed to be aluminum free and no artificial fragrances. So we're going to try that out in the hopes that it will actually be better for me. Picked up some peroxide because we normally try to keep this in the house, and Shay told me that we had run out, and my husband and my children are all very accident prone, so we should really buy stock in peroxide, alcohol, and Band-Aids. Yeah. So that's it for the non-food items, y'all, from Walmart. So here's the food items from Walmart. So picked up some more lunch meat. This is the buffalo style chicken that we just absolutely love. And I got it sliced a little thicker than I normally do, only because I think the husband will like that more, because it'll be a little, more meat on the sandwich, so to speak. Yeah. I talked to this really nice man as I was waiting at the meat counter, and he asked them to take one of the rotisserie chickens and cut it in half because it's just him. And well, that chicken smelled really good, and it's lunchtime, actually after, and I have not eaten. And so I thought, okay, this will be something good. So I bought the other half. And oh my God, y'all, it smells so good. I was like drooling when I was in Walmart because I actually got it first, and it was like, I'm going around the store going, oh my God, my stomach's like screaming at me at this point. But anyway, so moving on. I'm sure y'all really wanted to know that, but I'm hungry. Picked up a couple more lemons because, I like drinking lemon in my water. Picked up some more limes because, one, I'm making a key lime pie, and two, we're having fajitas later on this week, and I want to make sure I have lime on hand. Picked up some more salsa because that is a staple that we like to have in the house. Picked up some more 2% milk, another gallon, because you know how we go through milk in this house. It's crazy. Picked up some more of the husband's tea, as well as his Gatorade, the lemon lime. So the reason being is he has some in the pantry right now, but he started a new job this past week and they are working 6 days. So he did not have enough to get him through days 5 and 6. I think he had enough tea to get through day 5, but not enough Gatorade to get through day 6. So just went ahead and got him some more of those. Picked up some canola oil spray because all I have is olive oil spray. I ran out of my canola oil spray. And you probably heard Luna. She's meowing. She wants some attention as always because she's spoiled. Very rotten. All right, so picked up some chips. As you know, we like the veggie puffs, the white cheddar from Off the Eaten Path. Well, I decided to try this one. These are hummus crisp. They're rosemary and olive oil, and I love rosemary, and I love olive oil, so why not? And then picked up some of the husband's organic Doritos, and I picked up 2 bags because they did not have the 8-count bag that I normally get that keeps him from over snacking. So I'm really hoping these 2 bags will last the whole week, but yeah, we'll see. So that's everything from Walmart, y'all. And that came to about $58, I think it was. I'll put the totals in the video so that you'll know. So on to Aldi. So Aldi had their corned beef brisket on sale for $2.99 a pound with a limit of 2. So of course I bought 2. Yes, because St. Patty's Day is right around the corner. So we're going to have one of those for that, along with our potatoes and cabbage, because that's just what we do. And the other one, I'm not sure. I'm going to put both of them in the freezer, because we're still like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks from St. Patrick's Day. And yeah, I'm just going to stick both of them in the freezer. Okay, so picked up some pasta, got some rotini here, and picked up some penne because, it's pasta. Okay, so I got 2 bottles of wine, as you can see. This one's the Moscato. This one's the Sangria. Yeah, it's going to be that kind of week because I have to work over on Tuesday, which is probably when this video will get posted. Who knows? I don't know. But yeah, it's going to be one of those weeks. So I wanted to be prepared. Picked up some flour tortillas because, like I mentioned, we are going to be doing fajitas this week coming up. So, of course, stick around for the meal plan because I'll have that for you. Picked up some of these mild smoked snack sticks. They're kind of like Slim Jims. I picked those up for the husband because he's been like craving these meat sticks and beef sticks here lately. So I figured I'd get that for him. He actually stopped by the store yesterday and picked up like the duo, the meat stick with a cheese stick kind of thing. It's pretty good. But I figured these would work really well, and we still have some of that chunk cheese in the fridge. Picked up some more vegetable stock because, we go through a lot of that. It's a staple in our house. Picked up some spinach herb wraps. Y'all, before I forget to tell you, the smoked snack sticks, the vegetable stock, this spinach and herb wraps, these are all impulse buys because, yeah, I saw them, was like, oh, wait, we're doing sandwiches for lunch, but I don't want to do just regular bread. So picked up some wraps. Also picked up some pie crusts. Another impulse buy because it occurred to me that one of the breakfasts I'm doing is a breakfast casserole, and then I totally changed my mind and I decided I'm going to do a quiche. So that's why I picked up the pie crust. And before I forget, I picked up some steak seasoning too because I do not have any. Another impulse buy, y'all. So again, I mentioned the husband's been doing a lot of snacking. Picked up some of this hard salami. I've got crackers in the pantry and I've got some cheese in the fridge, and I figured this would make a really good snack, or even like we can make some adult Lunchables to take with us for work, for lunch at work. All right, so picked up some veggie burgers. This one was not an impulse buy. Yes, we are doing some veggie burgers this week as part of the meal plan. Picked up some more heavy whipping cream because I am out and want to keep that on hand. Picked up some grapes because they were on sale. I think they were like $1.19 a pound or something like that. Picked up some bananas because you know that's how we roll. So as you can tell, I've hit the produce. Picked up some carrots because I'm hoping to do like maybe a beef stew or something. I'm not sure yet, and I'll explain once we get to the meal plan. Picked up some eggs, got 1 dozen. Picked up, y'all, hold on. See, I need to hold this up. Like, look at how ginormous these bell peppers are. And I picked these up for the fajitas, but y'all, these things, like, look at that. It's as big as my hand. It's huge, and all 3 of them are that size. So picked up these for the fajitas, they're chicken fajitas, and then picked this up because I'm going to put some of this in the quiche, and then the other is for salads. And then the last thing I bought from Aldi is this big old, I think it's a 10-pound bag. Yes, 10-pound bag of russet potatoes because y'all know how we go through potatoes. It is crazy. But yeah, so these are the grocery items that I got. This is this week's haul. And at Aldi, I spent $60. So I think in all it came to what, like $118 or something like that. And that's including the impulse buys like the chicken and the stuff I picked up from Aldi. So yeah, that is everything. All right, guys, so here is the meal plan for next week. For breakfast, I'm doing strawberry oatmeal muffins because I have strawberries from the last haul that I need to get rid of. So I'm going to make those into muffins. Like I mentioned in the grocery haul portion, I can't even English today. Like I mentioned in the grocery haul portion of this video, that's what I meant to say. I was going to do a breakfast casserole, but I saw the pie crust and thought, you know what, I'm just going to do a quiche instead. So that's what we're doing for breakfast this week. For lunch, we are doing leftovers, sandwiches, and salads. I still have some romaine lettuce and some grape tomatoes in the fridge that I want to eat up. And yeah, now that I have carrots, I could throw some carrots on there too. So very excited about, you know, this week's lunches. Now for dinner. As you can see on Sunday, which for me is tomorrow, I've got beef stew and biscuits on the menu, but I have a question mark. And that's because the husband and I are going to my mother-in-law's for dinner, but she's doing an early Sunday dinner, so it's around 12 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And if there are leftovers, then we will not have the beef stew and biscuits. However, if there are not leftovers, then we're going to do the beef stew and the biscuits. So that's why there's a question mark there. Monday, we're going to do a chicken and rice casserole, and I'm making enough so that we have leftovers on Tuesday, and that's because I have to work late on Tuesday. On Wednesday, I'm going to do some type of slow cooker meal using my Instant Pot. That's what the little asterisk is for. Thursday, we're doing veggie burgers and fries. Friday are the chicken fajitas, and then Saturday we're going to do the flounder au gratin, which Shayla really likes. I've done it once before, and I think it's time that I did it again because I still have that flounder in the freezer from like the big, huge grocery haul that we did back in February. So yeah, that is our meal plan, guys, for this upcoming week. All right, you guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it. The grocery shopping part, and it was crowded because I went later than I normally do. Normally, I try to go early in the morning, like 8, 9 o'clock. Yeah, I didn't make it until like 11, 12. The struggle was real because I was cleaning my house. Speaking of cleaning my house, if you'd like to see like a clean with me type video, let me know. Leave a comment. Let me know if you'd like to see that type of video. And it's been a while since I've done a cook with me. So if you're interested, leave a comment below. Let me know if you'd like to see some of these recipes that I'm throwing at you guys. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and become part of the Bradley family. We love to have you become a member of the Bradley bunch. And also, we are on social media, so be sure to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. We are at Trippin' Bradleys. Thank you again for watching, guys. I hope you have a blessed week, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!